Morning folks, welcome to Hawkhurst. So we're just going to draw pegs. So we've got a couple of pegs, one over there in the corner and two more over here. Unfortunately we don't know whether James will be turning up today. He arranged all of this, but he's had a death in the family unfortunately, so yeah, he may not be joining us. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw swims now. Oh no man, and you take the piss out of me for wearing Crocs and my cock socks.
Mate, if you've got this face,
my lucky cock socks.
Mate, if you look like you two, you fucked, didn't you?
Oh, hang on. Oh no, now we're going to have to draw sticks for who goes
first.
Let's toss for it. I win. Right, you can draw first.
I'll tell you what, yeah, we'll get Lou to pick for us.
Yeah, okay.
Big ones I'm giving to you.
Yeah, let's just do that. Yeah, let's just do that.
I know
Mickey
you like
Pierce.
wearing it.
Right, hang on. You'll have to look the other way so you can't see. Right, so pick that one out. Give that to Kev. Right, now give that next one to Andy.
We're opening it, yeah. We'll all open it together.
So we're saying that's one.
That's one, two and three.
Be whichever.
And then like if James does turn up, he can...
Right, where are we, Lou? One. Oh, I'm on three next to the tree. You're on three.
You're on three next to the tree.
Yeah.
And I'm on number two. So I'm here. I shall be concentrating in the in this bay. Right folks, so I've got one rod out. My Catfish rod, it's a bit overkill. It's a £5 Catfish Pro, loaded up with £30 line on a reel, and I am using 26mm hot crab and krill. So I've got two of them on a hair rig, on a rig with, I think they're called eagle claws or something very similar to that. So that's what I'm using for the catfish. And for the carp, I've just got a method mix with different boilies. So I've got SLK boilies, cell, and various different pop-ups. So yeah, we'll see how we get on with them. I think Ainsley's in the killer swim mode. That reed bank has just, yeah. And plus he's got the back of the island. So yeah, he's got the back of the island fish too, and all the reed bank. Catfish bait just down in the corner here. Oh, he ain't got his hand on his shoulder. Oh, there you go.
What the fuck am I supposed to do?
You can cast out from there.
Right here, trees. Trees.
We're getting Kev's cast from all angles. Here he goes. Go on, son. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Here he goes. Yay! Go on, son! We got it from all angles. Hey! Kev's on 4 trees. First tree. Go on, son! Nothing like a straight pull at 7 AM.
I'll stand there. Got me first tree! Oh, fuck's sake.
Is there another swim over there? Huh? Is there another swim over there?
Oh,
Oh,
I thought it was 1, 2, 3.
oh, you might as well go in that one then.
That's better up there.
Yeah, I didn't know I could go down there.
Oh, I didn't know there was a swim there.
I thought it was this one.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, of all the places, and he still hit a tree.
You out in the tree?
You got it out? Got what out? I definitely saw movement of a tree there, so that must have been very close. Well, both rods are out, so yeah, I've got the catfish rod on left and the right hand rod is my little sawn off scope, as you can see there. So I've just got a method mix and a squid liver krill boilie on there. He did it without hitting a tree. Well, my lucky cock socks don't seem to be working, do they? Right, and guys, nothing at all for any of us. There's been a couple of fish splashing about, so what I'm going to do is I've got my glugged pop-ups that I'm going to use. So I'm going to try my black cherry, which I've made myself. So yeah, we'll give that a go. You in? Snagged? No, he's snagged. There was a fish crashed out there and all, didn't it, earlier?
Yeah. Something fucking nibbled my rod earlier.
It's quite chilly in this swim, isn't it?
It is a bit cold here.
Really, really hot down there, mate. Go on, Kev, bring it in.
I'm fucking snapping it.
Well. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Well done. You brought it back. Huh? No, it didn't snap. No. Well done. Go on, do it, do it, do it. Oh, that was a good cast. Well done. Folks, nothing happening. Even Ainsley struggling, so that says something, doesn't it? Kev's still sat in the cold down there, shivering with his hood up. Not much going on. So I've got a pop-up off the bush, probably about 4 foot off of there, and I've also got just further to the right I've got my boilies for the catfish, but yeah, nothing. There's been a fish or two crashing by the back of the island there and over where Kev is, and Ainsley's now got a bait where the island is, and he's got one just off the reeds as well, so yeah. Right then folks, so yeah, not a great deal going on. Ainsley said he's been down here on a 12-hour before on blanked, and the last time I think he come down here was with James and they had that one catfish. So I don't think it's an easy lake, but nah, we got a bait in the water, so there's always a chance, isn't there? And we managed to retrieve Kev's method feeder and also some other line. Had some rig tubing on there from out of that tree. So at least that's cleared up a little bit. Never good seeing a dry unhooking that, is it? Right, time for a change of tactics. So, bit of a hot dog on there, I think. Oh, I shall take a section off and lob that out. Worth a go, innit? Okay, there we go, folks. So let me get that out and see if we get any joy with that. Where's it gone? It's out there, look. Snake. Heading down towards you, Kev. Snake. What was that? Oh, he saw the camera, that's what it was. He saw the camera. Right, so I've just put a an almond goo soaked pop-up on there, and that's where that tree stump is. It's about a foot off of that. Little mirror, pretty one.
Fish, hold his tail round. Yeah. That's well old, isn't it? That's it. A warrior.
Well done, boys. Again on the catfish rod. Come on. Well, he ain't using it, is he? He ain't ever going to get that close to the trees, is he? Come on, let's face it. He'll end up in it. Oh, no. That was on the hot dog sausage. Hot dog sausage. Nah. Well, at least I've had a run. Get back out over there. Do you want a bit? Yeah, lob a bit on. Go on, do it. Yeah.
This would be our third session.
I know normally only the ladies get the sausage, but there you go.
Beautiful, thank you. Yeah, this will be our third session. We've only ever had one if we blank. One fish in 3
Really?
sessions, yeah.
Right, let me get this back out. Oh, gutted I missed that run. Never mind. At least it's something. At least it's some action, which is all I've had other than line bites all day. Yeah. Never mind. I was a bit slow on getting it. Still, got about an hour and a bit left, so. Ooh, yeah, that was a good cast, mate. Very good. Right, folks, Ainsley's had enough. The king of the carp had one fish, better than nothing. Right, so it's coming up to 5 o'clock. I'm going to give it another hour and then I'm going to call it a day. So we've got the lake until 7, but yeah, that one run which I lost and nothing else, so we'll see. Ooh. Just had a little knock on that then. Right hand rod. Yeah, I think it was a line bite though, not sure. Branch!
Can't see it.
No, I thought you had a little roach or something.
Oh, it's a beauty, isn't it? Hey, it's one of the best ones I've caught in ages.
Yeah. A tree pounder.
Quite lucky it just unhooked itself.
Well done. Another line bite. What? What?
That came out and everything.
What did I do?
Honestly, it's went and you went.
What a numpty, I've just remembered I've got something and I ain't used it yet. Cheese and garlic paste. So I'm going to stick some of that on the method with a boilie and see how we get on with that. Right, there we go. So the cheesy garlic paste. Let me get that out and this will be the last cast with this one. What have I done? There's my back lead. That's what I should have done with the catfish rod really, is back leaded so it keeps the line down, because I've had a couple of line bites on that. But right, let's get this one out.
I don't know AI videos of you two with catfish. When we're gone, you have to get this side, it's better. It's got the earring and that. Look, go and see what your dad's doing.
Dad.
Two wallies together looks like, look, little and large. It's the Driscoll brothers. Go on, Danny.
Oh, you called me that, is it?
No, Danny, I said, not Danny.
Danny.
Not Danny. Here they come, look. Danny Driscoll. You look like Driscoll brothers. On fools and horses. Well done, Sean. Right. Oh.
Yeah, go on. No, I'm not going to hit that. I reckon you just kicked that. You did, didn't you? You just kicked it. You just towed it. Thought.
A few moments later.
Oh, bollocks. Missed it. Missed it. Oh. Right, and folks, that's me all packed away. Swim's now empty, so let's go and see how Kev's getting on. I think this is the time of night, but nobody fishes this of an evening. They know it's safe, they come out and start mopping up all the food and that's been put out. I think a lot of it, they sit around the back of that island. You alright?
Yeah. Time to go home.
Yeah. Right, and guys, so yeah, a blank. Ainsley caught that one fish, so yeah, fair play to him on that one.
Actually, he didn't, did he?
Oh no, actually it was Lou. Lou caught that on a free line bit of sweet corn, didn't I?
King
Didn't
Lou.
he? So yeah. So it's yeah.
King Lou and Prince Albert. No, Prince Ainsley.
Princess Ainsley.
Princess Ainsley, yeah.
Right, and guys, we're probably going to come back here in a few weeks' time. Again, that water's still quite cold, and yeah, it's probably not helping the cats. They like the water to be a bit warmer. But yeah, I had a couple of missed runs, but never mind. Right, and guys, thanks for joining us. See you again soon.
Not got any fish. It's just a hot dog, calm down.